Hi guys, it's Shane from Yiannimize and I'm in the original Yiannimize unit. This is the unit where it's all graffiti. However, today we're changing it. We're going to be painting the walls. We're going to make it fresh and new like Yiannimize 2.0. Originally I wasn't going to do it, however, you got to move with the times. The graffiti was fantastic for the 7-8 years that we had it, but it is time to go. The hardest thing about getting rid of the graffiti is that I've got my kids on the wall, so I put them on the wall just to remind me about them when I'm at work. So that's going to be difficult. And also, if you come over this way with me, I've got Nico Mark up there as well, which is a shame. We're trying to work away, is there any way we can save them or do anything? Doesn't seem like it's possible. And because I've got a suspended ceiling coming as well, they're going to be chopped off anyway, because obviously it's going to bring the ceiling down slightly. We've got the 1 million subscriber play button, that's going to go. This lovely lady's going to go as well. Literally everything is going. I haven't worked out how we're going to brand up the unit, because even Yiannimize 2.0 is just white everywhere. And I'm a person that always says brand everything. It's the end of an era for the old, and it's all about the new.
Yeah, I thought I couldn't get up higher, but I can tiptoe.
So this is the back part of Yiannimize. Obviously we're doing the main Yiannimize unit up. So this is the back section. We're getting rid of all the mats that were everywhere. We've got a lovely tile base there that we've done years ago. Decide what we're going to do in here. But now let's get it clean, let's get it fresh. And then me and Bert will come up with a plan.
The work does not stop, so as you've seen before, we've done the whole new unit. We've got the floor all sorted. The guys behind me have, well, one guy behind me has turned up from Archway Sheet Metals. These guys are putting up a gate for us. I was running the track into the ground. The reason we're doing that is pure and simply because the site is used by not only ourselves, but there's another company in the front here. It's just to add a little bit of added security, added privacy for our clients, our customers, and the cars when they're here. So these guys are putting the markings onto the floor. They're going to run the track into the ground for us, and then soon we will have a gate there as well. So we started a conversation in the office between myself and Yanni with regards to who we would like to invite to Yiannimize to say we're going to take the naming rights of the new building. So we started brainstorming a couple of ideas. One name sprung to mind, and I knew at the time that we'd certainly picked the right company to work alongside. Someone who's trustworthy, reliable, in the same industry as us in terms of to do with cars. A big household name. It's someone you can trust. Everyone's heard of them. It could have only been these guys, really. So the future's looking good. I'm so excited that they're part of the team now. They are with us in terms of a family. Yiannimize 2.0 is no longer, from today, it is officially known as the Michelin building.
Long time since the unit has had no brand, and I always say brand everything, everywhere you look. There's branding. Finally we're branding up the unit, and our partners Michelin have got involved as well. So a couple of Michelin men, the Yiannimize there, signature vehicles for exclusive individuals going on the wall as well. So now when I post pictures, people know where it's being taken. Before it was just like a white wall, it could be anywhere, but we're back. So that is the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It's been a crazy, crazy year. Obviously, we lost the graffiti in there. I was in two minds whether to do it or not, but we did get rid of it. We set up a PPF room at the back. Obviously, we've got a new unit now where it just looks crazy, all white, amazing lights everywhere. We've partnered up with Michelin. I'm excited, and 2020 is gonna be crazy. I can't reveal what is coming, but trust me, it's gonna be big. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon. Take care.